Well, I think that the student can feel the patience from us when we are giving them enough time to respond. If we know that this is kind of a difficult question, which day is the first day of the week? And they have to answer Sunday is the first day of the week. It's kind of a big, wordy kind of a sentence. So if we just give them about 3 to 5 seconds to respond, and even if we have to go back again and just show them again, first, second, third, go back to the question again, ask it again. This all shows the student that we are patient enough to go at their pace, even if it just means that we'll have to spend a little bit more time on that activity. And also, as they are trying to go through, that we keep a friendly smile on our face the entire time. They're always looking at our expressions, and so we need to make sure that our expressions convey our true emotions, which is patience and guidance and encouragement.
Wait time with your level 3 students is so important. And I think what I have tried to remind myself frequently is that our students are thinking in Chinese. And, so they are hearing English, thinking and processing what you've just said in Chinese, and then producing the English back to us. And that takes some time. So ages ago on the VIP Kid blog, there was a post about the Take 5 method, where you give them 5 full seconds of wait time after asking a question. And it seems like a long time. But in that 5 seconds, they are hearing, there's a lag, they're hearing you, they're thinking about it, they're responding to you, and then it's getting back to you. And quite frankly, if I have a student who is thinking and I can tell that they are working really hard on that answer, I'm going to give them more than that. Because I want to give them that opportunity. I've given up to 30 seconds of wait time. Now, obviously, that's not realistic to do with every question, but if I can tell that they know what they want to say and they're just working on finding those words, I really try to give them the time to do that when I can. So when you are giving your student wait time, I think it's really, really important to show them with your body language that they're doing the right thing. Some of them are nervous if they're sitting there and you're silent and you're waiting for them. So sometimes if I have a student that seems a little unsure of themselves, or if it's a new student with me, or a student that maybe mom or dad is nearby and wondering why I'm just sitting here waiting, I use my little thinking bubble, showing them like, yes, you're thinking. This is good. I'm giving you time to think. And I've even gone so far as to mention in parent feedback why I give students that wait time. Because sometimes I think the parents are nearby and they're like, why isn't the teacher saying anything? And I think sometimes if you say to them, I really noticed that when Johnny had, time to think and then respond to me, he was able to come up with the answers. And that was awesome that he's using that thinking time to process what I'm saying, think about it in Chinese, and then tell me back in English. And so sometimes I'll explain to parents if they're nearby and I think that they may be wondering.
Sally, how do you spell 11?
E L E
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
N.
Excellent. How do you spell 15?
Yeah.
Hmm? Beautiful. How do you spell 12?
T W E W E.
Uh-huh.
Well,
12. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Awesome, Sally. Very well done. Those are hard numbers.